morning, everyone. Well, I'm making a card again with the Mintay challenge, and our theme today is flat. So you can do whatever you want, of course, using Mintay products, but it should be flat so that it goes into an envelope easily. Now, I still usually cut them down, even if I'm only putting 1 or 2 layers on there, just because that way it slides in there easy, you know, even if I do put a little bit of dimension on it. And so I am doing one for one of the grand girls. So I am going to be using Playtime, and she just turned 8, and I had some squares cut up for some other project I did, scrapbook project, and so I thought, well, I'm just gonna use some of these squares for the design. Okay, and I'm trying to use them the size that they are, so I am kind of I think I should slide this over just a little bit. Okay, let me do that. Okay, I guess I need a little bit of a frame around there. Okay, and then I'm going to use this red dot. So kind of like a patchwork quilt. I can tell that I didn't cut it real straight if it was supposed to be a square. But it might not have been. I'm totally unsure. Okay, and then I've got the balloons, and they're so pretty, so I'm putting those on twice. But I did not leave any room for that. I'm going to trim that down a smidge. Because I'm trying to do a little bit of a space in between it all. Now if I can get my piece out of there. Okay. I don't know if I cut it down enough or not. Not really. Let's see, can I slide this up? Oh, better not stick that to... Oh, maybe I can put this on the other side. That might help, because I have no idea what size the other one is. Because I'm going to do balloons here, balloons here. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, I'm going to cut off just a little bit of that one. Well, sorry about all the racket. No, I cut off, I'm not kidding, a sliver. Let's see if it did anything. Oh, a little bit. Okay. Okay, and then I'm putting the clouds right here. I just realized I probably have my head right in the lens. I totally went off the paper there, so let me pull it back a little bit. You know what, it needs to be trimmed a little bit, the width wise. Oh, and no, it can't go that way. Okay. I was gonna say, maybe I just have it going the wrong direction. And I'm trying to stick this in here and all the tape is sticking to it. Okay, let me see if I can fix that a little. Okay, that should do it. Took off quite a bit. Let's see if that works. Oh, I'm stuck. And I want it going this way. That actually fits better. Okay. And then I have this little stripe pattern. And it looks like I should take off a little bit of that red. Before I put tape on it, but now I probably got tape on my gutter. Okay, let's try that again. And again, I just cut off a sliver. I thought this just kind of looks like a circus tent, so I kind of wanted that in there. I'm going to pull it down a little bit. I bet you wonder how I get through a 12 by 12 layout. Okay, and I can see I got a big gap there, but that's just how it's going to be. Okay, and then I took one of the 3x4 cards, and I thought this one is super cute. I love the whole scene of it and all the adorable, well, the sun, the moon, the critters. It's just adorable. And I really want to pop it up on dimensionals. Excuse me, or a chipboard or something. But they said flat, so I'm gonna do it. Okay, and I think I need this. That's definitely too high. That's probably pretty good right there. And let's see. And I've got half an inch there. Okay. Dry throat. Okay. So there's the front. And I'm gonna decorate the end. I'm sorry, I had to go get a drink. Okay, so I'm gonna decorate the inside, of course, if I can open it up. And I had a circle punched or cut from, I guess it would have been punched from a layout I did previously. So I'm gonna use that little circle. Oh, my tape runner's almost empty. I'm glad I noticed it now because it always shocks me. Okay, so I'm putting that right here. And then I have the most adorable little giraffe. And I'm gonna just offset the circle with him. And then I have a little kite that was also in the fussy cut papers. And I'm just going to put it above them like it's flying there. And then I still have plenty of room to write a little sentiment and put some cash in it for her birthday. So that's it for today. Actually, I had a video just before this, my 30 days of sketches. So go over and check that out. And I will have close-ups at the bottom, at the end. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.